My name is Robert Dorn. I'm the owner of ÜBERPAINTERS London. So this is a house at Wortley Village that we kindly call the crack house. There were cracks absolutely everywhere. You can see here in the first 12 seconds of these frames that this had all separated away from the house itself. So the goal here for the client was that this is a new resident doctor. He wanted to make sure that his first family home for his new young bride was a beautiful home. So we literally took about 50 years off the look of this house with this facelift. We filled all the cracks. Even above here, you'll see later that we filled the crack to match the other window and the other door. Moved all the hinges. We machine sanded literally every single square inch of every surface of the upstairs. And as you can see, all the cracks have been repaired, and everything that we touch is absolutely guaranteed forever. Here's the machine sanding. You can see the decades of old paint colors coming through. Cleaned off all of the hinges to, again, bring back that look of the house, the original look, the way it looked about 100 years ago here in Wortley Village. So the house, as you can see now, the end result, albeit that it still is an old house, we have brought back the charm by removing all of the imperfections. Again, most notably, I can't stress enough how many cracks there were in the house. My name is Robert Dorn. We work in Wortley Village a lot. If you want a house that looks brand new after we're done, you call us.